At Complete Cooling Services, we can provide solutions for whatever your requirements are, whether it's a man cave or study at home, a garden room, or a multi-storey office building. From the initial inquiry, we basically offer a free on-site survey to the client, and then we will attend site, assess the situation, and then come away and put together a package or a solution that we believe is going to tick all the boxes for the client. As soon as we have been advised that they're happy to proceed, then we basically would give them a date when we'll be looking at installing for them, which will be mutually convenient for both of us. Once we've agreed a date for installation, it's then down to our installation team to attend site, and they will provide a professional service and cause as minimal disruption for the client as possible. Once the equipment's been installed, it's down to our installation team then to provide the client with a bit of training on how to get the best from their systems. With energy costs rising, this is where people are looking for alternatives to electric heaters and wet radiator systems. This is where air conditioning systems can become energy efficient solutions, which will provide heating as well as cooling.